So this is the latest update of the tiny house. I'm using a different camera for different shot. You can see that's their septic tank, and they already start cladding the walls, and they're using fiberboard, but the decorative type. You can see there's patterns on the outside, and you see the C4 lins for the wall cladding. And this will be the kitchen area. So that will be a hanging cabinet up there, and that's the bottom where the sink is, and this is the cabinet that they built for it. The best thing that you can see here now, they have an area for the toilet in which they made the septic tank. All the holes are there, and they're gonna tile this area. So that's the toilet, and then as you know, this is the, based on my last video, this is the stairs going up. There'll be a spiral stairs going up here, and what they plan to put in around here after the cladding of fiberboard outside is mahogany panel wood. Make it look classier. I was told by the builder, mahogany panel woods on the inside, and the ceiling will be put inserted with fiberglass for insulation, and before they cover it with the mahogany panel board that they have some cut on. So this is it, and there is the cladding for outside. And the roof, you can see there's a balcony on the front because there's an extended thing, so it won't go direct heat on the front, but that will be like a balcony for the bedroom upstairs, and serves as a roof extension for the front. So there you go, that's the update of our tiny house. This is the update of the tiny house that I featured before. You can see that this is the toilet area. So that's the toilet area. And they already made the septic tank. And you can see that the walling is double clad with J4 rings, and this is fiberglass, and then the back on the front is a different type of fiberglass. Now you can see that they got the septic tank on back of the mutanaw ko.
Oh, sige ma'am.
Ha, kay akong nindot ko you dudong. Kay pasirukan niya ko ni.
Wala yung mga tao rin.
Wala lagi sir. So they got the cladding up, the flooring made of fiber. Unsa ni siya kanang hardiplex? Hardiplex is the flooring, and this is double walling. So on the back, it's just plain hardiplex again, because hardiplex, and then the inside will be here on the toilet will be the still hardiplex, but they plan to tile that one, and this is the area of the stairs, and this is the little kitchen on here.
Mga kabinet. Pero yung mga kabinet.
Mao ba kani pultahan ni siya diha? Dili.
Mga kabinet siguro.
Aha. Mo man ni murag kusina niya sir no?
Oo.
So mo ni yang this is the kitchen. Then little lounge, this the stairs. Naghimo mong cabinet para asa na siya? Diri.
Dili sa para lababo.
Ah, so this is the one for the kitchen, where the sink and cabinets, and that will go in this corner.
Ang si timbang diri na hangin.
Unsa ni siya kuan sir kanang ang diri para sa plywood ra o hard reflex
Kahoy
gyapon.
yun.
So the inner walls will be just plain plywood kahoy.
Wood yun, wood.
Wood. So he wants to put like accents of solid wood inside the house. So that will be the
Mahogany.
mahogany. So the bottom part of the kitchen is this one. That's for the sink. Goes in this corner and then they will put hanging. So that will go here on that corner. And that will be the hanging there. So this is the window. And you can see the outside. It's a decorative hardiplex. So there. But the best thing about this, look, the toilet is in there. They will be tiling that. There's got a little window. So as you come in the house, this is the toilet, and that's the kitchen area. So that's the kitchen area where this cabinet goes, and that's the little kitchen. Then that's the lounge, and that's the stairs going up. So you can see and then they're starting to make the roof up there for the bedrooms. So the framework is mostly of J-pourings. There. I think you can see that there's gonna be a little balcony on the front, because there's an extended roofing here, so there will be a little balcony on the front in the bedroom. So there you can see that's the septic tank beside the house, and that will be that's the house so far right now. So like they're just gonna paint the fiber board because it's made of decorative fiber board. And there it is. That's the latest update on the tiny house. They have made the septic tank, made the area for the kitchen, cabinets, and area for the toilets. So that's the whole area of the tiny house. So I'll be giving you updates of when they finish something here. I'm gonna see and look at the kitchen, the bedrooms, and finally it's finished.